So guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the workshop. So this is the workshop that I recently started renting. Made a discovery after the last video on it where it turns out it's not quite as watertight as I'd have hoped. So I put my Volvo 240 in this lovely big barn thinking it'll be nice and dry in here. And in actual fact, this is one very leaky roof, and I didn't realise how leaky it was, but you can see by the puddles everywhere. There's much drippage. There's not much difference from inside to outside, to be fair. This is all just coming straight in from outside, you can probably see it. So we didn't really need to rent the barn, because we could have done... Well, I nearly fell in the pit. That was a lesson in messing around, because I nearly went in then. And that would have been good content, but not worth it. Yeah, could have not had the barn and could have just got wet outside instead of wet inside. But, well, we've got it now. So, yeah, well, at least we're out of the wind is the main thing. Wind chill, that's what gets you in it, it's the wind chill. We've been very busy getting it sorted. Well, I should say Ollie has been very busy getting it sorted out, clearing all the shelves, getting all the junk out of here, making it a much better space. We did make quite a cool discovery as well the other day. Oh, that's snazzy.
Oh no, that's got turned off the...
Because it's full of water and one of the lights is in the water.
Yeah.
So that all that water is probably electric now.
Yeah.
And we've been measuring up so we can get some steel plates to cover the pit and a few other things as well that are in process. It's all a big work in progress, but it is coming together, so it's exciting to see it get in there. And of course, from the last video, we now have the first project Volvo in the barn. So let's have a quick look at it. I'm trying to hide what's behind it, because I bought something else as well that's parked behind it, but I don't want you to see it. I want to save that for a reveal video. So yeah, some of you will remember this thing that we recently rescued from a field. It's finally landed in the workshop. Here it is. Huge shout out to Henry as well, who collected this car for me. Absolute legend. So yeah, we have it now. It's with us. Of course, we need to give it that satisfying wash, the first wash, and that'll be happening soon. And I've got something really exciting for that, because yeah, it's going to be fantastic, isn't it? To get all this green off, to clean it up and polish it, wax it, make it look really nice and deep blue again. You can see the difference. I mean, it is going to come out so nice once it's cleaned up. Let's have a look under the bonnet. We'll get the paint code. Yeah, it's just, it's so good. The dark blue with the black dash. The only thing it's missing is blue seats. I don't think the grey seats are really doing it. I think there should be nice blue seats. I find it weird that they're grey, but it looks good. It looks good whichever way. Yeah, we did have a small problem. So when I actually started it again to be able to bring it over here, yeah, we started to boil over pretty quickly, and I was worried because I thought that looks like the head gasket has failed in a spectacular fashion. But actually, once it had settled down, once it got up to temperature, thermostat opened, I topped it up again because it had spilled out all its coolant. And then it settled down, and then it was fine ever since. So I think there was just quite a bad airlock. And then once obviously the thermostat opened, it helped push all the air out, and then topped it up again. And then it's been totally fine ever since. And it was ran for quite a while. And we'll see, there should be hopefully something still in there. Which there is, which you can't really see, but there is. The level's a little bit low, it wants topping off, but yeah, it's okay now. So that's a relief. Yeah, paint code 605. So I don't know what that is offhand. I'm not that good, but I'll put it on screen. So that's the blue, that's the paint code that we're dealing with. So yeah, it's going to look so good. I mean, you can kind of see under here. Yeah, really, really nice. It should come out lovely, shouldn't it? And I can't wait to get all this trim black again, because obviously we've done that before on the channel. And yeah, it's come out really nice. You guys will remember, if you've been watching for a long time, got a little bit of fading now, actually. It has been a couple of years, hasn't it? But you can see that's how it used to be. And you can see the product I've applied. And that was a couple of years ago. So for about 2 years, that's really not bad at all, is it? You can see the difference there. And obviously the bumpers still look amazing. So some of you will be pleased to see that, actually, because I did say I would do update videos, and we'll talk a little bit more about it obviously when I do the 740. But there you go. So that was the product I was using, the Owatrol, Owatrol, however you say it, depending on where you come from. Everything that should be black will be black again, and then you'll have the nice deep rich blue paint. Oh, she's going to look absolutely sexy at the end of it. So yeah, I really can't wait for that. The previous owner called her Vera, so not the name I would have gone for, because there's way too many Volvos called Vera, but that's her name, so we'll stick with Vera, because yeah, that's the name she's been given. So we finally got a Vera the Volvo, like probably most of the other channels out there that have had a Volvo on them. But yeah, anyway, so Vera's the name, so we've got the name for it. So I've stepped into the office. I don't know, this sounds really echoey in here, but there's a lot of rain outside. It's hitting the roof, so I thought I'd do it in here. So there is something that I wanted to... This is the office, by the way. Not much in here apart from 6-pack of chunks in gravy, so that'll be lunch when I forget to bring my lunch over one day. So in a nutshell, things haven't worked out between me and Miss Involvo'd. Now, I know a lot of you will be very disappointed and very shocked to hear that. So there we go, a bit of a heavy one, but I thought it was important to go into. So yeah, but on a positive note, on the next video, we will go into the rust situation. We'll get underneath with a screwdriver and we'll see exactly what we're dealing with. And then of course, after that, we'll get it cleaned up and get it looking nice again. And of course, there's the other project that I've bought that I was trying not to show you as well, and I hope it didn't sneak in the video at all. Because I know even if there's an inch of that car, someone's going to say, oh, it's this, it's a 2008, and someone's going to know exactly what it is and everything about it. So I was really careful not to put it in the video, because I want to reveal it in a future video. I think you guys, well, I don't know how you're going to react. So you won't expect it. You definitely will not expect it. So I'm really excited for that. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.